Okay, today I'm going to open up a box of 2009 Bowman baseball cards. The box contains 8 packs with 10 cards per pack, and each pack contains 2 Bowman Chrome cards. This is $20 at Walmart. Okay, Russell Martin, Chipper Jones, Mark Teixeira, Evan Bigley, Jesse Darcy, Luis Somoza, gold card, Jason McEachern, Topps Chrome, Rene Garcia, Topps Chrome, David DeJesus, and Phil Hughes. Pack 2. Okay, Glenn Perkins, John Lannon, Yunel Escobar, Dylan Lindsay, World Baseball Classic card, player from South Africa, right there. Okay. Yafei Carvajal, tough name. Matt Kemp gold card, Kurt Smith Topps Chrome, Wilson Ramos Topps Chrome, Marlon Byrd, and Stephen Drew. Number 3. Adam LaRoche, Daisuke Matsuzaka, Patrick Ryan, Michael Pineda, David Wright gold card, Michelle Enriquez Topps Chrome, World Baseball Classic, Wilber Buchardo Topps Chrome, Freddie Sandoval, Prince Fielder, and John Jaso. Okay, Kosuke Fukudome, James Shields, Jeremy Farrell, Sean Connor, Jared Bogani, Topps Chrome card, Michael Almazar, Topps Gold, the last one, Michael Almazar, Topps Chrome, Tyler Yaki, Chrome, Howie Kendrick, Justin Dukeshire, Chris Young, and a checklist. Topps Chrome, I meant to say Bowman Chrome on that. Okay. 5th pack, Travis Snyder, Mark Burley, Josh Hamilton, Alexander Smith World Baseball Classic card, player from the Netherlands, right there. Edgar Osuna, Michael Young gold card, Julio Teheran Chrome, Jose Seda Chrome, Casey Kochman, and Ronnie Belliard. Pack 6. Okay. Luke Marson, Java Chamberlain, Vladimir Guerrero, Stephen Upchurch, Luis Jimenez, Jake Peavy gold card, Michael Cisco Chrome, Derek Phillips Chrome, Jorge Posada, and Carlos Beltran. Pack number 7. Boy, this set is pretty low on inserts. Hey, Mike Lowell, Justin Upton, Jonathan Waltenbury, Kelvin De La Cruz, Chad-Hao Lee gold card, Samuel Freeman Chrome, Brett Oberholzer Chrome, Rafael Furcal, Placido Polanco, and Garrett Atkins. Okay, last pack. Adam Wainwright, Dioner Navarro, Matthew Moore, Miguel Flores, David Ortiz gold, Ute Ni from Taipei, Chrome card, World Baseball Classic, Justin Erasmus, another Netherlands player, World Baseball Classic card, Ian Kinsler, Josh Outman, Blake DeWitt, and a checklist. Alright, there you have it. See you on my next break.